Right, so listen to this real good. The breaking of 15 is what's going to give us the confirmation that indeed the bears took over, and then, my friend, it's a trim and trail. Okay, because there are a lot of little supports on the way down, all the way to what do you think? 700. Okay. Alrighty, so we're clear. That's exactly what we're supposed to do, right? Is buy that 18, 19, right? That I told you. We are in a 9-point range here. We're gonna buy support, and we're not gonna sell 27 because I'm expecting the price to take it and continue to 33. So this bounce off of 18, 19 loan that we took, we are expecting a lot of traders are going to take profits right here at 27. We won. Oh my God, Capi, come on, I want to take a couple of bucks, man. I want to take 10 points, 10, 9, 8 points right here, 27. Look, it's a double top, triple top. That's the only setup that all the teenagers know. They're gonna sell it right there. I can understand if you want to do that, but I'm telling you that this move up, the smart money is still looking to squeeze all those pairs, especially those that are going to go short 27, and they're going to squeeze them all the way to 33. If it doesn't, it's okay. We're going to wait for confirmation because we know that longer term, yes, there will be a break of the support of the low, and it'll continue going all the way to 12, 8, 2, and 700. In the meantime, we're going to stay long, and we're going to be strong at 27. If you have a lot of contracts, okay, take a couple. But let it ride, because you know that that's the difference between this room right here and the rest of the world. They have no clue how to let it ride. If you don't know how to let it ride when the trade is going in the direction of the market, then believe you me, you will not know how to get out when the market is going against you. Stop. All right. Oh my God, CAPI, 27. I'm taking 1/3 of my position. Listen. We get out 3 times only, all right? And on target 1 is 33. No, Capi, I'm gonna scalp, okay? Okay, I understand that you wanna scalp and you wanna lock here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points from our long, the low that you've known since 9 a.m., since I told you, because the longer term is a down move, but we need confirmation. We still need to wait for confirmation. All right. Yes, we will consider going short 33. And what was the other mistake? The other 42, wasn't it 42?
42. Yep.
42. Okay. 42. And 42, right? So we're gonna play this long move until the market gives us confirmation that the bears are in control for the longer term. We're going to play this long move all the way to 33 and 42. Oh my God, Capi, look at the recoil, man. I know, I told you. Are you kidding me? Of course I know that there was going to be a recoil. Not to mention that this is the all-time highs, historic highs of the S&P 500. Are you kidding me? Of course it's going to recoil. I told you, not only we need to know what the price is going to do, we need to know how the hell it's going to do it. And I told you that this is exactly the way it was going to do it. It was going to leap up and down here the canal, and then eventually it's going to break one of the two. Oh, okay. To the downside, confirmation that is going to 700. And to the upside, 33, 42. That's all there is to it. Hey, Cappy, I went, 27 short. I took the short, 27, which is the resistance of the canal that you gave us 45 minutes ago, because I want to be in a trade that is in harmony with the longer term, the one that you, Cappy, you said that is going to happen in the future. So I want to establish a position short so that I can take advantage of that drop when it comes. That's not a bad idea, Mystic. Right. You know what I mean? But the important thing is that you need to know that you are going against the current move, which is indeed bullish, to 27 and 33. Is it guaranteed, Mystic, that the price is going to go to our 33 target one, this bullish move?
No guarantee.
Of course not. And that's why most traders don't make it in this business. All right. You don't let the smart money play with you, shake you out. You know that 15 is not target one, by the way. 15 is only the low of okay, it's a minor low. It's the low of this. It's the squeeze, actually, right? It's the squeeze of 18. Alrighty, that's not a target. Okay. 33, that's a target. 33, that's target one. Price is exactly doing what we say it was gonna do. It was gonna leap up and down this 9-point range. Yeah, what's up?
I have a poker face pull.
Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is gonna continue holding. Look at it. Look how the price cannot take our 18 long. It cannot take it until it does. Alright. When it does, we know exactly what's going on. Us together, we will see. Together, all of us, we're gonna all see together the changing of the market direction. Right now, it's bullish. It's still bullish. Smart money is playing with all the weak longs, shaking them out. Okay, until they're all shaken out, then that's when they're gonna break, and then price is gonna go. It's gonna drop, just like we forecasted. For the longer term, short term long, longer term bearish. Break of the low and continuation all the way to 12, 8, etc. Until
700.
Yeah, 700 is a psychological level. It's not one of our levels. It's just that, I'll give you the exact level when we change hat, actually, because that's what we're all expecting. In the meantime, we're gonna scalp long, test of the high, break 27, continuation 33. That's the scalping that we're doing right now. But because we know that the odds are that eventually, yes, it will break the low, then what we would love to know is when, Cappy, when is it going to happen? That, my friend, nobody in the world can tell you. Well, actually, I do have a friend that he even wrote a book about knowing not only what's going to happen, but when. I mean, that's unbelievable. I gotta tell you, I read the book. I know that book like the back of my hand. And I'm telling you, the odds are 50-50, so it's not good enough for me. Of course, we were danced around 18, just like I told you 45 minutes ago. Enough, right? But now, where is 22? Here it is, 22. Here, 22. All right, this 22, pretty much in the middle of our 1827, right? 22?
Yes.
It just look at that, right in the middle. Unbelievable. Okay, so this 22, ladies and gentlemen, is the next dancing gauge. Okay? Those of us who didn't let the smart money shake us out 18, making us believe that, oh my God, it's ready to break, it's going down, man. Those of us who know better, who know the future, those of us who are long 18, expecting the price to test 27, break it, and continue to 33, 22 is now very important to us, okay? 22. Okay, so we don't want to see the price coming back to 22. Chances are it will, because it's going to continue chopping on everybody out. All right, but we're really careful now, okay? Because the breaking of 22, then it's going to chop again 15, 22, 22, 15, 22, 15, and then the odds for a successful continuation of the trade that we're on, the 27 and the 33 that we won, then diminish. Okay, I'm not telling you anything that even a newbie, a new trader, to somebody, an amateur, somebody that has been trading for, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 years only, already know. An amateur, somebody that just started trading 8 years ago, full time, every day. So you understand now why it's so important to be courageous. And if you're gonna take a shot, you want to take it at the beginning of the move, like this 18 right here, 15, 18, right? That's what you want, so that when the prices start playing with you here, you have some leeways and you can handle it, right? No, Cappy, remember what I told you, man. I'm after the longer term. So actually what I want is the price to take 22 and get on it, already, man. Okay? You need to know that you're taking a counter trend trade, because the dominant trend right now is still long. And look at 18 again, Mystique.
Yeah.
Is the market doing exactly what we said it was going to do and how it's going to do it?
Exactly to the tick.
Alrighty then. Right, this type of chop right here. Look at the chop, 1827, Mystic. It's unbelievable. I started saying this half an hour before the open. The chart didn't look like this. It is now that it's looking like this. Right? Boom, taking 18, and we know 15 and 18, it's support, right? What do you think? Okay, so the price is below 22, isn't it? Boom,
Yeah.
right here. 15, the low of support. Oh my God, CAPI, it's unbelievable, man. That's right, this is it. A better entry now, instead of 18, 15. And that's it. Because we know, and it's recorded, that a clean break of 15, the bears are in control, and then the drop that I've been telling you about, the longer term trend, start. Well, actually, until it happens, it hasn't started. But when it happened, it already started at 27. So remember what I told you about those of you guys that decided to go with the forecast, with the longer term. Remember that the market, especially in a chop like this, it has a lot of little trends. You have to make the decision which one do you want to take. Being here in Capital Trade Center, being in this room, you know exactly which ones are the ones that the strongest one and the ones that you want to take, because you know exactly what the best entry is. In this case, that 27. Remember?
Yes.
And the 15 for the current trend. And remember, just because the short 27 is a counter trend, that doesn't mean that that it cannot end up being the main trend. When the price clean breaks 15. So,
Right.
so when we see that, then because we need to know at all times what type of trade we're in, because that's what's gonna make us make a determination as to how to manage it. Of course. All right. So at all times we are in complete control. That's what day trading is all about. You gotta be in complete control. Every trade have to have our 7 major elements, right? Trend direction. We have direction so clear, it's unbelievable. Entry location. We couldn't have a better entry location. Look at it. Entries that we've known half an hour before the market opened. We at all time need to know what's the stop protection is. What do you think the stop is? Clean break of our entry. What do you think the stop? You know that sometimes I still get people saying, I didn't know where the stop is, CAPI. You didn't tell me. What do you think the stop is? The stop is takes your entry, get the hell out. Is that complicated, Mystique? Tell me, please.
To me, it's not, but
I'm telling you, I've been trading for 40 years. I've been training people for 20 years, and I still get that comment. It's unbelievable. All right. And destination, target destination, trade management, position size, and account management. Oh my God, CAPI, look at that, 18. Look at the recoil off of 18. What do you think when the price took 18, trading 101? What do you think 18 is now? It's resistance. So we are in a massive concentration here, the 15, 18. Oh my God, CAPI, taking the low. All right, where did I say it was going to go to 12, right, Mystique?
yes.
Okay. 12, where is 12 here? Okay, 12. Okay.
You actually said 15.
All right. So what do you think 12 is now? Support. Remember, 12 is not a target either. Okay? Remember what I said in terms of management. Okay? Price, we'll see, right? The price which levels are breaking, and then trim and trail. When we don't have a forward target, then we have a backwards target. What, right? Okay, so what's the backwards target? Well, 22. Remember 22? Okay, so 22. Remember when we brought the support all the way to 22? Okay, 22, right? That clean break of 22 is what told us, oh, okay, so the bears took over. Not that it's going to break our 15 on the first attempt, because it didn't. Look, 15 all the way to 18, trading 101. It couldn't take 18. Confirmation, because remember, we want confirmation before it happens. Confirmation that the longer term trend began here at this recoil of 18 that just went to hour 12. Oh my God! So the counter trend short 27 is now the main play. Yes, that's exactly how it goes. Oh, okay. So it's gonna continue going down. It's gonna break 12 on a straight line all the way to 700. We're gonna buy a Lamborghini. Easy? No, that's not the way it goes. Okay, 12 is support. It's just that we're gonna let it ride. Since when we've known that the longer term was gonna be bearish? Mystique, since 9 a.m., right?
9 a.m. Yeah.
All right, so it's up to you which one, play. You can be long the ES, you can be short the ES. Price goes, takes your trail, get the hell out, and continue playing the main play. Mystique?
Yeah.
And what do we do at support?
Bye.
All right. But this buy of 12, ladies and gentlemen, now buying is the counter trend, because the breaking of 18 the alert was the breaking of 22. That was our alert. The breaking of 18 is confirmation, and then the main play is now short since the recoil of 18. So we know that any position that we take bearish, now we're going with our system longer term and with the market. Is it guaranteed that it's going to go to 700 and we're going to buy 2 Lamborghinis today, Mystic?
No guarantee.
Of course not. What did I say at the open? Today is an extremely difficult day. We can see that 12 is holding our other support. Oh my God. So is it possible that we have to change hats again, Mystic?
Of course.
Of course. All right. So we buy support and we sell resistance. What's 12? Support. So what's going to happen now? Well, 12.22, right? Because I think that the price is still going to play with everybody here, 18, which is resistance now. Okay, so at all times we need to know exactly what is the market doing so that we can know how we can manage it. All right, 12, okay. Oh, okay, I understand, CAPI. I understand. The market is telling us, man, it's unbelievable. How the hell did you know about 22, man? I knew. How the hell do you know about 18? Well, 40 years training. Well, how the hell do you think I know? Okay, so, all right. So I got it, man. Okay. Be prepared, because this 12, 18 is not going to be taken easily, Mystic.
Okay.
All right. I'm expecting more chop. This 11 all the way to 700, that's not, in my humble opinion, that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen rhythmically. Let me put it that way.
You said it before.
Okay. So what do you think 22 is? 22 is the hard stop for the, okay, 22 is the hard stop for the new hat, for the new bearish hat, the one that we've known since long time ago. And what's the alert? 18. Oh my God, CAPI, I'm gonna get the hell out. 18, man, clean break of 18 to the upside. 18.22, no man's land, and we need to make a determination as to whether this move all the way to 12 is indeed actually a squeeze, because the market is still on its way to 33. Oh my God, CAPI, that's too complicated, man. Did you think for 1 second that day trading was easy? That's how you have to do it. The market will reveal itself to us. Eventually, it's going to tell us exactly when, okay, boom, I'm ready to follow through. We have to put up with all this action so that we're there when the market reveals itself. Does that make sense, Mystic?
It makes sense to me.
Okay. You're going to hate what I'm going to tell you right now. This 11 right here is equally strong. It's equally strong in terms of is as strong of a support as it is of a resistance.
Wow.
What? But the price is above, man. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's right. This 18 right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a cycle bullish setup. All righty. Okay, taking this 11, my friends. This bounce of 11 right here tells me, you know what it tells me? It tells me that eventually it's gonna take 18. It's because it's the one in command right now. When 12 is taken, then the bears take over again. As long as this 18 is holding, and we had this bounce right here, we are all about prognosticating, right? Is that
Yep,
such a word?
prognosticating, yep.
Prognosticating, right? Forecasting the future. All right. Projection is I forgot. I always say projection is a prediction.
That's
A
right.
projection is a prediction. I am predicting that this 18, this 12 right here is so strong in terms of support and resistance that it's gonna take 18 and it's on its way to 22. Oh my God, Capi, so is 22 still the stop? Not anymore, because now we have reasons to believe that 12 was a squeeze. So 22 right now, the bears, those traders that are short, of course they have a stop 22. Well, we don't anymore. We believe that it's gonna take 18, it's gonna dance around 12, it's gonna go and test 27, break it, and continue to 33. Oh my God, is 33 back in business? You bet it is. All right, and now, remember, the main play is still bearish. Okay, because now everything is the other way, and we need, boom, taking 18, and let's see what's going to happen with 22. All right, is that almost 22, Mystique?
Correcto.
Oh, I think that's 22 exactly, isn't it?
Yes.
All right, so a lot of amateurs, they have a stop right there. They're being destroyed by the smart money. It's unbelievable. You know what I mean? Look at this gorgeous bounce off of 12. Okay, so the breaking of 18, we change hats back to bull. So in other words, that moved down all the way to 11, that we change hats to bear. Now we're changing hats back to bull. 12 is our support. Remember I told you it's going to go to 12, it's going to go to 8. These are all supports. No, Capi, I didn't go long 12, man. I was scared. You've got to counter trend. If you don't counter trend in this business, you're gonna have skinny kids. Right? But of course, if you don't have the experience, if you don't know the how, if you don't know exactly what the market is going to do, and if you don't know when to counter trend and how to do it and when to take it, and if you don't know when the price is going to take your stop, if you don't know all of that, of course you're going to be destroyed like 99.99% of traders that try to day trade, and we all know that none make it. Testing of 27, 33 is back in business. We change hat again when the price clean breaks 18. Now we believe we're on it. Yeah, what's up, Mr.?
I have a robot uppercut bull.
Okay, so all right, so you just heard Mystique. We have an odd enhancer that the price is going to continue, at least going to test our 27. And we all know since 9 a.m. where is the bullish position, the long position. We all know exactly where it's going for an hour already. Okay, guarantee? Can I guarantee that, Mystique?
No guarantees.
That's what amateurs think. Oh my God, you said 27, man, and then 33. Okay, well, it's all a matter of the odds. Let's see what's the price going to do next. All right, so taking 27, right?
Yes.
What do you think is going on right here, right now, 28? It's a self-fulfilled prophecy. Everybody knows that 27 right here, it's an historic all-time high. Traders are going to go short no matter what. Hey, man, I'm going to go short 28, 29, no matter what. I don't care, if CAPI, I don't care if you are a wizard, if you have a crystal ball and you know that the price is going to continue going to 33. I don't care, man. I'm going to short 28. What's the matter with you? It's a quadruple top and it's an all-time high. What do you think? Of course I'm going to short 27. I told you, don't short 27 because it'll continue going to 33. I don't know, Mystique. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is that 32.75? Is that one tick to our 37?
One ticky tick.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we all know that 33 is target 1 and 42 is target 2. Okay, target 2. Oh my God, Cappy, it went to 32.5, man. I tried to be strong and I wanted to get out 33, but I couldn't because the market only went to 32.5, 2 ticks below your target 1. So I'm not out, man. Well, you know that you can get out 1 point above, 1 point below. It's okay with me if you jump the gun, depending on volatility. All right. Okay. The important thing is that we are green every single day. I don't care if it's 1 point or 100 points, but we must be green every day. Cappy, that's impossible. Nobody. Are you kidding me? No day trader in the world is green every day, man. Hang around here for a couple of weeks and you'll see if it's possible or not.
Cappy, I have a hangover bear.
Okay. All right. So, alrighty then. So, all right, good enough. So price goes exactly to our 33. We know that 33 is target 1. That makes it an official counter trend short. And look at the razor sharp entry. 2 ticks above 33. I kid you not. And look at the pullback all the way to 24, Mystique. That's 9 points that we make on the counter trend in 9 seconds.
In a blink of an eye.
Talk to me about it. Tell me. Right? Who trades like this in the world? So the odds that this counter trend short that we are currently on, short 33, the one that we always do, right? It's customary here in our system to counter trend our target. The reason 33 is target 1 is because it's resistance. If it's resistance, we're going to sell it. We're going to short it because we buy support and we sell resistance. Of course, not always, because sometimes if the market is in a strong parabolic trend, of course we're not going to sell our target 1, right? We're going to move it. All right, but in this case, this 33 is going to be here for a while. So those of us CTC traders that took a shot short counter trend with the micros, right, or with a smaller position, we have a high probability set up that the price is going to test 27. Oh my God, Cappy already went to 27 quarter, man. I know. So this 34, 24, this 10 points right here is what we're going to be looking at right now. Okay, these 10 points right here. When the price takes 33, 34, this is what, in my humble opinion, I think is going to happen. It's going to take the high, recoil. It's going to take the high, recoil. It's going to take the high, recoil. Because this, our 33, is pretty strong. Meaning, the right to those of you who still have two more units to target 2, which we all know is 42, then be prepared because it's not gonna be on a straight line. It's not gonna be a rhythmically going move. Oh, okay, I got it, man. Reading the market today, historic highs, and tomorrow FOMC, and all the stuff going, all the political stuff going on. Believe me, reading the market today, if you're not an absolute professional, or you're not following somebody that has been doing this for 40 years like I have, believe me, there is a lot of traders right now bleeding. If you don't know exactly exactly what the market is doing, how it's going to do it, why it's going to do it, when, well, not when, that's the only thing that we don't know, then you have no business trading the S&P 500. You know you're not going to make it. Or, the odds are that you're not going to make it. All righty? So if I were, an amateur, somebody that's just been trading for, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years only, somebody that just began trading, I wouldn't trade this market today. Today is extremely difficult. So, however, have we nailed every single move today, Mystique?
We sure have.
Is it recorded?
Yes, it is.
So there is proof, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So in other words, if somebody asks, well, how do I know? Well, it's recorded right there, live, real time as it's happening. Is that what most trading rooms do, Mystique? Do they read the market live, real time?
No, they do the opposite.
Yeah, those trading rooms that they showed their charts and they showed, so the members can look at, what they're doing.
Yeah, they lie real time.
It's so confusing. They lie real time, right?
Yep.
So what the hell do you care if you can see what a fake guru is doing if you're confused and you're not 100% clear and you don't know before what to expect, right? What do you care?
Right.
All right, if you're a real trader, take a look at your own chart, draw the lines where I tell you to draw them, which usually is 45 minutes, an hour, 2 hours before, and also at the time of doing it. It's the only way. Alrighty then, so is the price doing exactly what we said right here, 33, Mystique?
It is.
All right, it goes, test the high, pull back, test the high. It's gonna take it by a couple of ticks and back all the way to 42. So be strong. Don't get all out of your long position because we're still expecting 42. However, we already got our target. Those of you who are all in, all out, and you are all out 33, and now you are all in counter trend short, well, that's terrific. Just make sure that you don't add to a loser, all right? Because remember that until we have confirmation that the bears took over the action again, then we have to assume that the price is going to continue to 42. And that's why it's so important to know not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. Does that make sense, Mystique?
It does.
Of course it makes sense. That's the only way that you can trade this thing. You need to know all of this. Otherwise, the market, it'll destroy you like it does 99.99% of traders that dare to make this their main job. Right. That move that we nailed from 27 all the way to 11, remember that I've been saying, hey, listen, another one is coming.
Right.
So those of us who are short right here, our 33, right, on the counter trend, our job is to stay with it, right? Remember what I told you. Didn't I say 24 is the... Didn't I say 24, like 24 seconds ago, Mystique?
Yes.
Well, I mean, that's easy. Look at this right here. All right? So we're going to be leaping up and down here, 24, 34, 34, 24, 24, 34, 34. However, the counter trend short that we just took, 33, because the future downtrend that I'm still expecting to develop, Mystique, is still there. So our job, ladies and gentlemen, those of us who are short right here, our 33, is to manage that position as much as possible, because we want to ride this short play all the way down to, you want me to tell you where, Mystique?
Yes.
All the way back down to the low of day 12. It's not going to be easy, but we're going to do everything in our power to ride it all the way to 12. So we're going to make 21 points.
Okay.
That's our objective, is to make 21 points from here, from 33 all the way to 12. Target 1. No, CAPI, you're crazy, man. I'm gonna get out every 7, 8 points, man. Are you kidding me? That 33 short, I'm gonna divide it. It's going to 12. Well, you know, I'm gonna get out 3 times. You know, every now and then. Right here, right now, 24. I'm gonna get out here 24. Okay. But listen to me. We are expecting a drop. I'm telling you. Okay. All right. The future intention of the smart money is to take this baby all the way back to 18. And let me see what else.
And 12.
And 12. Boom, 22. Remember 22?
Yeah.
Okay, so 22, we went short 33. 22, that's how many points? That's 11 points, right?
Correct.
Oh my God, CAPI, I'm gonna log some profits here. If you do, just make sure that you go back short the next resistance, so that you can have a new position and take advantage of this drop that I'm telling you I'm expecting. Okay? Alrighty then. Remember that the difference between us and the rest of the traders right there in the world that don't make it is that we know how to let it ride. Okay? It's a cliche. I know it's a cliche, but it's true. You know? Everybody says the secret is knowing how to let it ride, you know, your winners, and then cut your losses short, you know. Everybody says that.
Right.
But nobody tells you how to do it. Here, I'm telling you exactly how to do it, so that you can finally understand what that cliche actually means and how to handle it. Because that's the idea. You want to make trading fun. For most traders, it's stressful. If you know what you're doing, and you can do it with your eyes closed. I'm exaggerating a little bit here. But
Yeah, you better not close your eyes.
yeah, that's true. So it's fun. That's the idea. Make it fun. Have fun beating the market. By the way, the idea is not to beat the market. It's to make money. Okay? All righty, ladies and gentlemen. Make no mistake. Make no mistake about it. The smart money is what time it is? It's 10:43. Listen to this. The smart money is planning in dropping the price later on. It's 10:23 a.m. New York time right now. Price 30. We are short 33. Our job is to catch that future drop that the smart money is planning on doing. In the meantime, we're not gonna get out of our long 2 units that we have left, because remember, we get out 3 times always. Okay, we don't play with it. You know, if the price goes my way, then target 1, target 2, target 3, target 74, target 80, right? To bullshit you. It's not gonna happen here. Here we know exactly where the price is going, from where, and we're gonna get out 3 times, 3 targets, because I've measured this my entire trading career, 40 years, and I figure out that to let it ride, you want to have some targets. Okay, boom. All right, so let's see. So what exactly is it that we're doing? Well, we believe that it could be in this afternoon, right? We want to make in 2 hours what most people in the world make in 2 months, right? From 9 to 11:30, right? So that drop that I just told you about, I'm still expecting it. Is it gonna happen now? No. We took a shot short 33, counter trend gave us 11 points. I told you, do not get out of your other 2 units long, because until I tell you that the bears took control of that drop that I'm expecting, which is not guaranteed, we want to go to 42, target 2, period. Clean break of 33, right? That's a clean break of 33. That's pretty good. After since 10, what time it is right now, 10:45, it's been half an hour, right? That the price couldn't take our 33, couldn't take it. It drops. It takes the stops of all the weak, look at all the weak bulls. The smart money just destroy them all the way to 21. We, on the other hand, we're taking advantage of it because we know it's going to continue going to 42. And in the meantime, we took that short 33, 34, 35 right here if you want to, because we also know that, yes, it's going to 42, but it's not going on a straight line. So we're still going to take advantage of this. Those of you who are strong. No, CAPI, I don't want to counter trend. I'm just going to let it ride to 42, period. And if the price drops, it takes my trail, I'm out, and then boom, I'm just on my way to the golf course in Palm Beach. That's it. Well, that's a good strategy too. Me and my members here, on the other hand, we're going to take advantage of every single move that the market does. We're gonna milk the market because that's what we came here for. All right, so I just told you, right? It's not going anywhere. It's okay to short 35. It's okay to continue counter trend shorting, right? We know we're gonna let our long position ride all the way to 42. Just go ahead and just I told you it's gonna take the high and it's gonna come back down. Where to? 33. And even better because look, price just on this pullback, it just went to 31 from 37. That's 6 points. That's not bad, right? So we're taking advantage of every single put. We know we're going to 42. Don't touch your long position. Just let it ride to 42. Get out 42 if I leave it there, all right? And in the meantime, just let's take a couple of bucks with a smaller position, counter trend it, right? Especially since we believe that in the future, today, there's going to be a drop. We want to be there when it happens. Okay, if it doesn't happen, big deal. We're long from 12 all the way to 42. If it goes to 42, we're going to make 30 points on target 2. And in the meantime, we took advantage of the 33 all the way to 11. That's 11 points. And they're going to 6 points right here. So add them up. Okay, so long story short, never let a winner turn into a loser. It's a cliche, but it's true. And never let a green day, don't you dare to let a green day go red. So it's just a matter of belief. Those of us who believe we the believers, those who trade what we think, totally the opposite of what the fake gurus tell you out there, because they've been told that.
Of course.
You know, the smart money, they tell them, don't trade what you think because it's not good. And the dummies, they believe it. All right. So those of us who trade what we think, then we're taking advantage of this recall of 37 that I told you. Take it. Go short about 33 all the way to 42 so that we can take advantage of it, especially since we believe that this smart money is going to dump the price, Misty. They're going to do it.
Right.
We've seen it, a million times?
A million times.
And so we have to take advantage of it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
It's called trade what you think. Totally the opposite of what the dummies, not the dummies, the amateurs, they have no idea.
The others.
All right, so boom, bam. Is that 22, Mystic?
Sure is.
Okay, look at this beautiful 22 right here from 37. That's 15 points, right? Of which,
Yes.
hopefully, we caught, 10, 11, 12 points from it, since we already knew it was going to happen. Oh my God, CAPI! Oh my God, CAPI! Look! Oh my God, CAPI! Thank you, CAPI! Thank you. Is that 18? Yes.
Yeah.
Didn't I say it was gonna go back to 12? Mistake. Isn't that what I said 45 minutes ago?
That is exactly what
If you
said.
want to lock here some dough, I'm not gonna oppose. I'm not opposed to that. Just go ahead and take here 18 locking some profits right here, 18. From 18 to 37, is that 19 points mistake?
That's correct.
Aside from everything else that we've already done?
Correcto.
Okay, is this the future? Didn't I say this was going to happen 2 hours ago?
You sure did.
Alrighty then. So is it true? Is it any truth to trading what you think? I mean, do we do this only today, or do we do it every single day?
Every single.
Oh, okay. So it's not that I guessed it, right? It's not that.
Nope.
Oh my God, I guessed it today, right?
Nope.
Alrighty then. Boom. 18. Bounce. Let's go ahead and continue managing every single position we have. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, it's so important. Remember when I said this morning, if you don't learn how to counter trend, you're gonna have skinny kids. I even made a joke, right?
Yes, you did.
That's a counter trend. No, CAPI, don't counter trend. What is the amateur say? Don't counter trend. You'll never make it in this business if you counter trend. They have no idea.
They have no idea.
They have no idea. All right. Well, that's why we're here.
That's right.
We're gonna help as many amateurs as possible to do real trading.
Absolutely.
That's a good feeling for 2 reasons. Number one, we get to help a lot of people, and number 2, we destroy the fake gurus out there. All those millions of teenagers. Every day there's a new teenager
A new expert.
claiming that he's a big shot. Overnight, they're just they're master traders, they're master marketers. That I'll give it to you.
Absolutely.
So we get to help new people that have been struggling, that really have passion for day trading, and we destroy the fake gurus out there, all the old timers and the teenagers.
A beautiful
I
mission.
love to do that, by the way.
I know it. It's a beautiful mission.
That's right. I don't know. I said this like 3 minutes ago. Remember when I said it? Smart money knows that the dumb money, they all have a stop right here at 22. So they're gonna come down, take you, and look at our support 18 beautifully holding.
Yep.
It's unbelievable. Dumb money has the stop right there. Smart money knows it. They're gonna come and they're gonna fade the move. You know how many dumb money amateurs went short right here, 22, late. They were late. They said it's oh my God, this thing is going down. Oh my God, I'm gonna go short. They went short right here, and then they like, huh?
You got a bullish poker face.
I do.
You do.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Enough of having fun. Okay, let me look at it then. If you thought that today it's been a tough day, you have no idea how it's becoming now. I'm telling you, because I've seen this shape many times. It's gonna get a lot tougher. So this is what we're gonna do. Believe me. Time right now, 11:04. We're going to phase 7 now. Ain't no mistake about it. Phase 7. Just don't get all out of our short here. The high 34, 35, 36. Don't get out. Okay? Because yes, even though we made 18 a target, I'm still expecting a test of the low, because I know that the smart money is vicious today, and they're gonna destroy every single little newbie, trader wannabe, amateur today. They're gonna all be destroyed. All of those who are in how do they call it? All these other scammers that let you, they tell you trade our money, the prop firms, all those accounts depleted. They have to reset on a day like today. I'm gonna say it slowly. This 17 right here is pretty strong. Let's see if it's gonna end up being strong enough as to being the gauge that is gonna tell us if the bears take control of the longer term. Because listen, these 20 points that we just made, it's a counter trend. the structures is still bullish. But now I know that this 17 is very important, and the taking of it for now is going to tell us if the bears are going to take control of the next move. So, as far as we are concerned, target 242 is still there. No, CAPI, are you kidding me? 20 point down, it took my trail. Get back in long. Where? At our support 18. Establish a new position low, right? It's our 18 right there, right? Look at it. Or add to a winner. Okay. The important thing is that we know the future. You know what I mean? Nobody knows the future. The important thing is that we have the odds as to what's going to happen in the future. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. That's what I think. What can I say? Oh my God. So back to 21, 18. This one right here, 18, 21, 22, and then break and continuation to the low. That one. What was the exact low, by the way? I haven't even measured it yet. What's the low right there? Boom, 11. And 11. That's what I think, man. That's the trick. That's the trap that the smart money has under their sleeve. Okay? Nobody knows that. Guarantee? Of course not. But we're gonna play it because we've seen it a million times. How do we know the bears? If they take cover, when do we know that? We'll know it when they clean break. Bada bing, bada boom. This one, our 22. Oh my God, look at that. That's the open. It just so happened that it's in alignment with the open today. 22. Look, here it is. It's the open gauge. So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, 21. Where is 21? It's not 22 anymore. It's 21 now. Okay, 21. Boom, right there, 21. So just draw a line right there, 21, because look at this. Because a clean break of 21, then I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 14. Okay, 14. Oh my God, 14 is right there, CAPI. It's not a big deal. 14 is going to stop it. Bulls, they're going to take advantage of the drop, and they're going long 14. They don't know that it's being when we clean break 21, bears are taking control of the longer term, because right now we're short 36, right, as a counter trend. We still have units and we still are buying support because we want to go to target 242, right? But when the price takes 21, then we're not interested. We put it in the back burner. Okay, the bullish position. It's 11:30. We know. We've seen it a million times, right? What time it is? 11:25. In 5 minutes at 11:30, in my humble system, official chop began. It already started a little while ago, but we know better. Okay, so you don't want to trade anymore. You just want to let the price take your trail. You want to go play golf at the West Palm Beach golf course? Go for it. Me, I don't play golf, so I'll stay here a little longer. 11:30, official shop begins, and we know that the odds diminish of whatever forecast we make. The odds diminish when the chop begins. Everybody, even amateurs, know that. All right, so we are on this 10-point range, 21.31. Time right now it's 11:30. Official chop began. Our job is what's the price gonna do next? Is it gonna take 21? Is it gonna take 31? Well, those of us who are short here, because we are expecting the price to eventually test the low now by way of 14 right here, then we are expecting finally a break of 21. That's going to be confirmation that the bears finally took over the hat, change of hat. Right now, the structure is bullish all the way to 42. But because we know the market never goes anywhere in a straight line, we're going to take advantage of every strong resistance that we feel the price is going to turn around. That's why we're short 37, which is now a counter trend. That break of 21 is going to make it official. It's not a counter trend anymore. It is then the main play, and we are expecting a continuation all the way to 14. And the reason is because bulls, they're going to jump the gun. You know that amateurs and small traders, the only setup they know is a double top and double bottom. 12, 11 is a double bottom. FOMO is going to make them jump the gun 14, and that's why 14 is going to stop it a little bit. It's going to, but they don't know that a break of 21 is actually a change of hat. The strength is going to be to the downside, in my humble opinion. Regardless how many points we've made so far, 30, 40, 50 points. Keep them. Long story short, sometimes the smart money, sometimes they make the move after 11:30, preying on you being distracted. Okay, it's praying that you think that CAPI began and nothing's gonna happen. We know better, right? We know all their tricks. It's a rule-based mathematics system that we trade here. It's rule-based mathematical methodology that we get the numbers and then we do what we gotta do. We put the levels and then we know exactly how the market's gonna behave, right? So it's just a matter of having the discipline and the courage to do what the market, our system tell us to do. That's it. So that's exactly what I mean when I said that our 21 is equally strong, man. But look, finally, right? Where is it going? 14. We all know exactly what to expect, right? 14, right? 14, we have to remember. I'm gonna say it again really fast. 14, we have to lock in because the bulls, they're gonna jump the gun for the double bottom. Remember that's the only setup that the teenagers know, right? And the amateurs, and then 700. Okay, our job is to ride this shore all the way to 14. And 700, period. Okay, so that we can take complete and full advantage of every single move on such a tough day like today. 20, repeat, we do not want to see a bounce strong enough that takes it to 20. Not even 21 is going to be a pain in the butt. We don't even want to see 20. Okay, 14, first one, and then 700. Okay, how? Well, like this. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, so 20 right here. We don't want to see this. We know the importance of 21, of course. It's the low of our canal, and I told you an hour ago. Okay, so we are in this chop right here. What do we want? Well, those of us who are short the high, we want the price to eventually break 21. One thing is what we want, and another thing is what the market is going to do. So I say, okay, so the odds are that yes, it is the low, the one that is going to be taken, and it's going to go to 14, and then that gives us a nice confirmation. Price is going down, right? We are in the middle of the doldrum, and we want a test of 14. I told you that the bulls, they're going to jump the gun. 14. Look, they're jumping the gun 15. What can I say? But we're just going to continue riding it all the way to 700. If it takes 21, pretty much golf time. Long story short. Time right now. 12:14. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's our 14, ain't it? Okay, so lock. Okay, lock here. Make sure that you lock some points right here, 13, 14, and let the rest ride all the way to 700. So in other words, we nail everything today on a tough day like today. Believe me, it took a lot of my energy to read this action today. I'm telling you, it was extremely tough. All right. Okay, my friends. So that's 08, right? Pretty good. Any. Let's ride this baby all the way to 700. What can I say? All right, let's do it. Okay, so that's what? What is that? That's a quarter, right? We're gonna ride it because we've known all morning long that the smart money had a trick under their sleeve, right? I told you all day today we're not gonna hesitate on counter trending short because later on today, this morning, the smart money, the price is gonna plummet. So all that move up was just squeezing the bears. We took advantage of the squeezing. We were the ones squeezing the amateurs, and we're short the high 36, 37, and we're gonna ride it all the way to 700. So we're gonna make 35, 36 points on this last play. The taking of 21, it's confirmation that now it is the bears, the one in control. We don't want to see a price go back to 21, 22, and before it gives us the 700. All recorded, live, real time, since this morning, 9 a.m. And that, my friend, is how the cookie crumbles. So remember, 700 is a psychological level, right? So boom. Okay, my friend, hold on a second. I gotta lock some dough here, my friends. Also, you know what I mean? That's 700. All right. Hey, Capi. Oh my God, unbelievable. Is this thing going to continue going down? You said it since this morning, man, that the smart money were completely and totally trapping the bulls. They were going to dump the price. You said it 7, 10 times this morning. That's 37 all the way to 700. Is it going to continue going down? Well, keep everything you have, and we're going to continue trailing. And I'm going to tell you, 93. Okay, 93. That's 7 more points. Okay, 93 is the last target. 93. Last target, 93. That doesn't mean that we cannot get back short again. Of course we can get back short again. But the last target, the one where I want all of us all out is 93. Okay? All right. All right. So 93, right? That's what, 6 more points below 700. In due time, if you want to go play golf, go play golf, tennis, pickleball, whatever the hell they call that new thing. I don't play any of that, so 700. It's one of our targets, right? So that's an automatic counter trend long, isn't it? Counter trend, because remember, when the price took 21, the bears, it's confirmation that the bears are now the ones in control. So the initial play short that we took 36 became the main play when the price took 21. So that's right. So all right, so pretty good. Oh my God, no problem. So any longs that we take now, which we go long at targets, because 700 is a target, right? It's our target too. So it's support. So what do? We buy support and we sell resistance, depending on the entire market conditions, right? If we are in a parabolic, or the overall market direction is totally bearish or bullish, then we take it easy. Not today. Today, I told you 3 hours ago, don't worry about it. The price will respect our levels of support resistance today, even though it's a tough day, big time, because this is just a trap. Okay, I don't see a sell-off today. That's not gonna happen. As a matter of fact, I don't see a sell-off today, and the proof is that I want everybody out at 93. Okay, time right now. What time it is? It's 12:30, 12:27. Can you believe that? So that's what we do, right? So we came here. We usually stop trading at 11:30 for 12, right? Because we know shop begins. But today, even though we shop big time, we knew that the odds that the price was gonna break 21 and give us, boom, a beautiful 21 more points were really high. So we have to stay, right? This doesn't happen every day. So in other words, when the market is in being generous, in other words, giving us exactly what we think is going to happen, because remember, we trade what we think, totally the opposite of what the fake gurus tell you, then we have to stay there. We have to hang around, right? Think about it. This is a good counter trend long. I'm expecting a bounce all the way to 14. It's not going to continue going. It's not going to 93 on a straight bounce. So that counter trend long is a counter trend now. I'm expecting a continuation all the way to 14. So if you don't have any more units, sure, you're good, because this low right here is not going to be taking any time soon. This low right here, 700, is pretty strong, and the worst that can happen is that we're going to chop 700, 714, 14, 700, 714, 14, 714, 700 for a while. Go to your P&L, look at it, and make a decision as to what you want to do next. You want to continue trading? Terrific. I'll continue trading. I'm here. Right. So that's 94, right? Oh my God, CAPI, yeah, unbelievable, man. Yeah, that's right. Remember what I told you. All out, 93. Price just went to 94 quarter. Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. All right, so 93, right? So we're going to make it a range. We're going to make it a 3-point range, 90, 93. What's the mid-range? 91.5. That's it. Time right now, quarter to 1 p.m. Just okay. I'm telling you. Listen, just because we're gonna be all out, that doesn't mean that we cannot get back in again. Alrighty? Okay. Okay, my friends, remember that I just made it a range, right? 90. Price just went to 88, giving us 2 points to get out of the main play short. So we just made 40 points. And those of you who are strong, you know that that here and below, there's gonna, if we say all out, we know that there's gonna be support right somewhere around here. This is a strong move down, right? Okay, but we are all out. You know, those of you who are really strong, you're having a lot of fun right here, right now, right? What is that? 82? That's pretty good. That's beautiful. That's 50 points on our third unit. You know that we only get out 3 times. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. You want to play with your Unit 3, then it's terrific. Do it. Okay? That's 82. And just enjoy it. Keep on enjoying. And remember, this is support, right? So if you want to take a counter trend long right here, 82, 83, 84, right? Then it's okay. Just make sure that because this is catching the bottom, right? We've known all day today that this was going to happen, right? Since 9 a.m. So you want to continue trading? This is a strong drop, right? Do it with the micros and play with it. Okay, that's all there is to it. Okay. Now, are we going to get back short a big position? Well, I need to see how the price is going to behave right here between 75 and 700. 25-point range. It's unbelievable. Okay, so watch out. All righty. Okay. All right. Look at this. Down, down, down. No looking back. All right. So, okay. Look at that beautiful 90. It goes all the way to 80. 10 point bonus. With this volatility, 10 points is nothing. All right. So be strong. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that's 79. Let's call 80. That's 50 points. 56 points from our original entry short 36 here, right here, right? 3 times, of which hopefully we all got some good 80, 90% of that range. Okay, and that's how you can grade your performance, right? What percentage of the entire trend that your system told you the market was going to go did you capture? 80%, 90%, 75%? Your job is to compete with yourself, and that's an incentive on the astute trader in wanting to be strong and learn everything you possibly can to let it ride. Everything that all the gurus out there talk about, but none tell you how to do it. Here, you'll see it happen every single day. Live, real time, as it's happened. All right? So we want to think what we can do and not what the others do. Think about that.